What?
Where are we?
We are in Muscat, Oman, in the brand new international airport that opened on the day we arrived.
And this is the food court. And what exactly is in the food court?
What's in the food court, girls?
Tim Hortons!
What else is in the food court?
Us.
Is there anything else to eat other than Tim Hortons?
No. Only Tim Hortons.
Only Tim Hortons. There it is. I'm a big brother with big brothers and big sisters of Canada. And this is my little brother. I haven't seen him for 8 months. He came all the way from Canada with his mom and his sister to travel with us through Jordan, Israel, and Egypt.
We have met before. It's the same as always, waiting at the airport with your coat and gloves. Same time every winter, smiling like you knew me. And now all my emotions are searching for you in places we've never been. Now I'm starting to realize the chance I've been given, but I am so afraid. Oh, if I am lucky, then I will see you again next year. If my wishes do come true, I will see you again next year. And my hopes stay down, let it won't be too late. Oh, if I am lucky, then I will see you again next year. Time is standing still when you lift your suitcase, turn around and say bye. I would be a fool not to ask you gently if you stay forever. And now all my emotions are searching for you in places we've never been. Now I'm starting to realize the chance I've been given, but I am so afraid. Oh, if I am lucky, then I will see you again next year. If my wishes do come true, I will see you again next year. And my hopes stay down, let it won't be too late.
Hello,
Hello.
where are we?
We are in Jordan.
And
That right there, that's Syria. Good job, Keith. You press the button on the side
where
here.
are we?
We are in Jordan.
Where are we? I was saying, where, like, what city are we going to? Wait, actually, where are we inside? Jordan.
We are 3 kilometers away from the border of Syria and Jordan.
And what's that over there?
That over there is the Sea of Galilee.
And that over there is Syria.
Oh, in Israel.
Bye.
I will see you again next year. Oh, if I am lucky, then I will see you again next year. If my wishes do come true, I will see you again next year. And my hopes stay down, let it won't be too late. Oh, if I am lucky, then I will see you again next year.
And what are we looking at? What's behind us?
Syria.
Hi, Mr. Randy is coming into Jordan. It's so good to meet you, sir.
Yeah, you
Really?
too. Thanks,
Yeah.
Ehab.
You're welcome, sir.
It was a pleasure to meet you. Come stay at Arabian Suites.
Yeah.